Okay, let us start the question. Intermediates formed. Intermediates. Question number 31. Intermediates formed. Intermediates formed during the reaction of RCONH2 with Br2 and KOHR. Okay, let us do this example. R C double bond O NH2 on reaction with Br2 and KOH. Br2 and KOH. Initially Br can broken into Br plus and Br minus, and here you may write this one into like this also. HH, you may write this one H. Okay, on this reaction nitrogen is more electronegative, so electron pairs are moved like this and H plus is liberated and this H plus and Br is removed, HBr. Then this minus here, there is a minus, is attracted with Br plus and you can get C double bond O N H and Br. So this Br is attached with the nitrogen, then you can write like this. And then what happened? Next step is on reaction with KOH, you can write KOH is like this, and then hydrogen electrons are moved like this, and then is the elimination of H plus, and this is goes to H2O. Next you may write like this, C double bond O N double bond minus Br, and next K plus, here there is a K plus, here there is a Br, not minus Br. Next elimination takes place like this, Br minus and K plus, KBr, there is a elimination of KBr. Then you may write R C double bond O N. After removal of this one Br minus, there is a plus charge, so there is a neutralization of charge takes place. Here is a minus charge, and after this Br is moved, this electron move like this, then there is a getting of positive charge, and positive charge and negative charge cancel each other, you can get the neutral molecule. Next what happens? Next R get converted into R minus. Okay, R minus, this R minus move to this one can form the bond like this. So because of these electrons are moved like this, and then R get the minus charge and carbon get the positive charge. So then you may write like this, RC plus C plus N. Here the R minus R get converted here and moves here, and then you can get these two charges, and whenever this one is moved to this one, there is a getting of negative charge here, negative charge and R. So negative and positive are get converted into C double bond N, this one. This way you can understand. So this positive charge and negative charge are get converted into another double bond, 5 bond, means 5 bond. And next then hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, followed by acid hydrolysis means in presence of acid H2O is react here. Then what happens is this one H2O is broke down into H plus and OH minus. So like that, two bonds means there is a 2H plus and 2H minus are needed. So here it is nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon. We know this one is more electronegative than carbon. So positive charge attract these 2H and negative charge attracts with 2H plus. Then what happens? See this one, see OH and OH, and then NH2. This one gem diodes are unstable, so then you can get this one. So what they ask us is the intermediates formed during the reaction of question number 31. The intermediate formed during reaction of RC double bond O NH2 and Br2 and KOH R. So first intermediate RC double bond O NHBr is formed, then R and CO are formed. So let us look into this one. RC double bond O NHBr. RC double bond O NHBr is first intermediate is formed here. This is the first intermediate, and then second one is R and CO. So this is the second one, R and CO. These two are intermediates are formed during the conversion of amide into amine, or C double bond O NH2 into R NH2. This is known as amide conversion into amine. Amide is get converted into amine. This is known as Hoffman bromide degradation. Hoffman bromide degradation. So this is the clear idea. Let us see again what happens in each step. You can understand this one. Okay. Next, let us focus another question number 32. This is very easy question. Take A in any one of them. Take A and then reduction goes to B. B on reaction with chloroform and KOH gives C. C on reduction gives N-methyl aniline. First of all, write down N-methyl aniline. What is the meaning of N-methyl aniline? N-methyl aniline structure is like this. NCH3. N-methyl NHCH3. This is N-methyl aniline. How do we prepare N-methyl aniline? Let us take, for example, this one and do the operations what they told us. Okay. Let us do here. Take nitrobenzene here. Take nitrobenzene on reduction. What we expect? Aniline. Nitrobenzene on reduction, you can get aniline. Aniline on reaction with chloroform on presence of KOH is get converted into isocyanide. This is, we know, carbylamine reaction. This is known as carbylamine reaction. On carbylamine reaction, you can get this one. Any isocyanide on reduction means addition of hydrogens for this one, N triple bond C. On reduction means addition of hydrogens, you may get RNHCH3. This is very easy one. Okay. This one you may remember like this, or N triple bond C on reduction. What you get? On reduction you can get R NH or NHCH3. If or CN on reduction, what you get on reduction, you can get or CH2NH2. This is the difference how you can add the hydrogens like this. So always remember this way, then you can solve it very easily. On reduction of nitrobenzene, you can get aniline always. This is fixed one. And this is also in test carbyl amine reaction. This is known as carbyl amine reaction. On reduction, you can get the secondary amine. This is also known as secondary amine. Isocyanide on reduction get secondary amine. Cyanide on reduction get primary amine. This is the basic idea. Next, you see the examples. So B is the correct answer for this one. You can get the answer. Next, question number 33. Question number 33. Amides may be converted into amines by reaction named after Hoffman bromide. We know a few minutes back we can discuss that one. Next, question number 34. Phenyl isocyanide is prepared by which one of the following reaction? So straight away you may say that isocyanide. Any isocyanide is prepared by carbylamine reaction. Okay, this is our. Okay, let us focus question number 35. Question number 35. Aniline is reacted with bromine water and the resulting product is treated with an aqueous solution of sodium nitrite in presence of dilute hydrochloric acid. The compound formed is converted into tetrafluoroborate, which is subsequently heated to dry. The final product is. This is very easy question. Let us focus the answer. Okay, take aniline on reaction with bromine water. This one is NH2 group is more active group, so there is a formation of 2, 4, this is second position, this is fourth position, and this is sixth position. This is known as ortho para positions. These two are ortho, this is para position. So there is a subsequent electrophilic substitution takes place, Br plus as takes place in these three positions. Then on reaction with NaNO2 and HCl, NaNO2 and HCl, these two groups are convert NH2 into diogenin group, N2 plus and Cl minus 1. And then what happens? And then these react with tetrafluoro Na plus BF4. Okay, tetrafluoroborate. So then it reacts with Na plus BF4. Okay, sodium tetraborate. Okay, you may write like this, Na plus BF4. So this was on reaction with this one. This is get converted into fluorine. So what is the product we can expect is, fluorine, bromine. Here is also bromine. Here also fluorine, and there is a chance of putting fluorine. So this is the compound you can get. Okay, so what you get is 2, 4, 6 tribromofluorobenzene. 2, 4, 6 tribromofluorobenzene is we can get it. Next question number 36. Question number 36 says the compound obtained by heating a mixture of ethylamine under chloroform. Ethylamine, CH3, CH2, ethylamine, okay, NH2, on reaction with chloroform and KOH, what you can get? Ethylamine on reaction with chloroform, CHCl3 plus KOH, what you get is isocyanide is formation takes place. CH3, CH2, NC. Okay, isocyanide is okay. Ethyl isocyanide. Here, this is the answer. Ethyl isocyanide is takes place. Ethyl isocyanide is formed. So let us focus another question. Question number 37. Question number 37. An aniline on nitration gives. Okay, aniline on nitration gives para-nitro compounds. Para-ardu products, not this one. Here there is a conversion of CH3 is not takes place. This is not correct. And then AC are the correct answers. This is in text question. You may focus like this. Nitration of aniline on nitration. Nitration means concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4. Then what happens? Concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 on nitration you get three products. Those are NH2, NO2, and the next product is NH2, here NO2, and then you may expect this is para product also. Okay. This is in text 1. Okay, there is a chance of getting meta product also, you can get it. So this is the in text question. Okay, this A and C are the options are present. A and C. Next question, let us focus. Question number 38. Question number 38. Which product is formed when acetonitrile means is hydrolyzed partially with cold concentrated HCl. So this is acetonitrile means acetonitrile. What is the meaning of acetonitrile? Let us see what happens. What is the meaning of acetonitrile? Let's eliminate this one. Okay. Let us write down here acetonitrile. What is the meaning of acetonitrile? Acetonitrile CH3CN is acetonitrile. Acetonitrile on partial hydrolysis. What you get? Partial hydrolysis, you can get two double bonds are disappear, and then you can get CH3 C double bond O NH2 is formed. How it is formed? In presence of HCl, this is acidic medium, water is get converted into H plus and OH minus. Normally we know nitrogen is negative, carbon is positive. Okay, next this one goes to this one and this one goes to this one. So two more one required. So two OH groups are present there, CH3 C OH and OH, and then NH2 Then what happens? This is jump dials are unstable. Then you can get CH3, C double bond O, NH2. Okay, this is the product you can get here. So on partial hydrolysis, this one happens. What about this is partial hydrolysis? Product is on partial hydrolysis. Partial hydrolysis. On complete hydrolysis, what do you get? On complete hydrolysis, what you get is CH3 COH. CH3 COH you can get. Complete hydrolysis you can get this one. In partial hydrolysis you get this one. So what is the answer? Okay, this one here. Okay, acetamide is formed. Amide is formed. Okay, nitrile and any cyanide on partial hydrolysis you can get this. Amide only you can get. On complete hydrolysis, carboxylic acid is formed. This is the way you can remember. The action of nitrous acid on aliphatic primary amine gives. Okay, this is very simple question. Okay, action of nitrous acid and aliphatic primary amine. Okay, let us take aliphatic primary amine, anyone, but now I am taking this one. On reaction with HNO2 on primary amine, aliphatic primary amine, on reaction with HNO2 you can get alcohol CH3OH. This is fixed one. Okay. Next question number 40. Which of the following order is wrong with respect to property indicated? ఏ ఆర్డర్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన వాటిలో రాంగ్గా ఉంది అని అంటారు. చూడండి, బెంజాయిక్ యాసిడ్ ఇచ్చారు, ఫినాల్ అండ్ సైక్లోహెక్సనాల్. దిస్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్డర్. బెంజాయిక్ యాసిడ్ ఈజ్ మోర్ ఎసిడిక్ దాన్ ఫినాల్ అండ్ సైక్లోహెక్సనాల్ కంటే కూడా ఈ ఆర్డర్ కరెక్టే. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఓకే, లెట్ us see aniline and cyclohexylamine and benzamide. Okay, aniline we know PRNH2 aniline. This is cyclohexylamine and benzamide. Okay, benzamide means C double bond O NH2. Okay, benzamide. What is the correct order? Is cyclohexylamine is more basic than aniline. So which order is wrong order? This is the wrong order. Okay, this is not correct one. Aniline is not more basic than cyclohexylamine. Okay, cyclohexylamine. Okay, that is the reason why. Okay, this is the wrong answer. Next two is also correct answers: formic acid and acetic acid and propanonic acid. Formic acid is more acidic than acetic acid than propanonic acid. Okay, you know, formic acid HCOH is more acidic than acetic acid. Next, fluoroacetic acid is more acidic than bromo. Okay, fluorine than chlorine. Electronegativity decreases, acidic strength is also decreases. So 1, 2, 3 are correct. This one is not correct. This is the answer they want. Okay. Next question number 41. The carbylamine reaction. For carbylamine reaction, we need hot alkali KOH, and this one is the correct answer. Any primary amine with chloroform. Okay, na? The next remaining is not correct one. Anyone? This is any primary amine with chloroform and KOH, it can give the carbylamine reaction. So this is the in-test question. Next question, let us focus. Question number 42 indicates which nitrogen compound among the following would undergo Hoffman reaction, which furnish primary amine. Okay, amides only gives the primary amine. This is the in-test question also. Thank you.